Hi everyone, I'm Miraculous Minotaur, and the purpose of this video is to show how to fix your basic power banks. So I got these five power banks, pretty small, 200 milliamp hours, and I just wanted to do some other videos of upgrading and stuff like that to test with them, but as it turns out, three of them were already broken. So if you can see, these are the working ones, and they start charging just fine. Now, this is one that I've already fixed. As you can see, maybe you can see, this one also turns red. That means it starts charging. Now the problem is with these two. One of them didn't have any action whatsoever, just like this one, and the other one flashed. So I don't know exactly if they have the same problems, but I'm just going to open them up and see if they work, if I can fix them or not. So first off, no power here, and no power here either. So as I said, I've already done this, so I know how to pretty much open them. You first try to get this tape off. So you get this tape off. I'm going to do this actually for both of them right away. Yes. Oh, and actually, just as a further notice, I'm going to turn on my soldering iron, because I'm probably going to need it later. Now, here's one thing that's going to be a problem. This is my smallest crosshead and doesn't fit in the hole. But it's a 4mm drill bit, so I'm just going to make those holes proper. Now, drilling into a power bank is dangerous, but I'm not too worried because I'm drilling straight into the holes right here, which would implicate that even if there was anything connected to them, it would be the ground, and I don't expect there to be anything anyway. And there wasn't on the one that I already did. But just in case, if you have the smaller crosshead, then you can just use that. Skip this bit. So let's just take a look inside this one first. Just a plastic cover anyway, then a plastic cover. Okay. This is actually a different kind of battery than was in the other one. But it doesn't matter. We can still check what's going on with this one. There's actually a different circuit than was in the other one, but yeah, that's 0.8 of a volt. So that's definitely undercharged, and I'm guessing that's why it won't charge this battery. This is also a different one than the one I did first, because yeah. Oh wait, this is actually the same as the one that I did first. Not this one. This is different. And actually the battery looks the same too. So this is maybe an older or newer revision. But let's see what we get off of this one. Okay, this one is also low, but so now there's like I could check with the multimeter whether I'm getting 5 volts on the end, but actually there's the easiest way to figure out if the circuit's broken is to simply slightly just undo the negative contact, and now if I plug this in, see it turns on, which means the circuit should be fine, and I should be able to use that to fix, I've got all this mess, I should be able to fix that battery with this circuit. And let's also do the same check here. Keep in mind we don't want a short circuit while we do this. And now my tape is should have done this first, but you know, get excited a little bit. Okay, so just so we don't get short while we rush around here like I'm doing currently. So the same question right here. And this one also works. So it's just a matter of these batteries. So mind you, I bought 5 of these and 3 of them were broken. But okay, so how am I gonna fix these now? Now this one is actually a harder fix because I don't have a significant ground I can use other than the USB port itself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna solder. Since I have shit solder, I have to use paste. But I'm gonna solder this ground to the USB ground. Therefore, it'll still turn on. And so now I will make this one. And so I can check how the charge is going to be going. Right now we're not going to have actually anything before I do the soldering here. Okay, so as we can see, that's the battery voltage right there, 0.76. Now if we turn it on. Oh, this has a better protection circuit, it seems. Oh wait, no, it's charging. Where's the LED? I can't see it. Anyway, now it seems the battery is. I'm gonna let the battery charge to like 3.2. Where's that LED though? I'm keeping the finger on the battery just to make sure that it doesn't get too warm. And we're all nice to go. And now that the circuit is closed once again, we can. And there we have the red light, everything's charging and everything is, as you can see now, it's working properly. It was just a drained battery, needed a little funk in it, and now I'm just gonna do it again with the other one. Maybe it has some other problems. regular happy circuit. Okay, that's it for this time. Next time I want to show you two little things, possibly only one thing, but there's some things you can do with these battery banks now that they're fixed. Or technically fixing wasn't necessary, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave this one here to charge, and we'll pick up here next time. Okay, bye.